Korean winter style pictures like this are going viral on the internet, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can create yours. And not only that, I'll also be giving you access to the exact prompt I used in creating this video, so stay with me to the end so you won't miss out. Open your Google Gemini app, ensure you tap on the create image icon, create image, and then come and copy one of the prompts which I will provide for you. Copy anyone you want out of all the prompts, tap on this plus icon at the left hand side of your screen, bring in your image, which is a picture showing your face clearly or showing the picture you want to use clearly. The face of the person is showed clearly. Allow it to upload and then paste the prompt you want to use here, and ensure you add using the uploaded face. Describe it so that it won't change the face. Once done, just send it and allow your image to generate. In a few seconds, we should have our image ready. And our image is ready. This really doesn't look like me much, but we can try again and see what it's going to give us with another prompt. And if you're trying it and it's not giving you the results you want, then kindly try another image of the same face you want to use. If I love this one, I'm just going to press down on it and save it to my phone. And this is another prompt I have tried, and it has a 90% resemblance to me. Even the hair is totally the same thing. You can see it. So if you don't get the results you want, try out different images or try out different prompts. And remember, you can get this prompt in my Telegram or my WhatsApp channel using the link in the description of this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification to get updates whenever I post a new video.